Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss on how to build a sales funnel for higher conversions, right? So here is the sales funnel physics for you. When applied correctly, okay, so these laws will actually allow you to create a highly profitable business model, okay? So let's discuss the basics here. Now, initially, we will talk about law of visibility. This law actually states that the more the visibility of an offer, the more your conversions, right? So what you have to do is you have to make the call to action button prominent, okay? So on your landing pages, right? So this is something you need to do, correct? So let's try to understand the fundamentals here. Okay, so I will take you to this slide. Okay, so what I do is, okay, so let's say for example I'm on the Fleetwood page, right? So what you can see here is start free demo now. Okay, so we have actually kept the call to action button prominent, right? Okay, so you can see here, correct, start free demo now. Okay, so you can see one call to action button, then you can see second call to action button, right? So we have also added the live chat integration here, correct? So I'll scroll down here, so you can see the third one. Yeah, so what I'll do is you can see the fourth one, correct? Yeah, so see get quote, we have also added the CTA as get quote, so we have added two options, free demo and get quote now, right? Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, so I'll take you to one more, fasting flow, right? So this is one of our sales funnel, right? So initially what we have done is like we have added the hook, import your data from Excel to Tally in easiest and fastest way, right? So see, this is CTA, download now, or we have also added the option as call now, right? So direct inbound call goes over here, correct? Download now, yeah. So one CTA is here. Okay, so another CTA but with different text, get started. Okay, so second, third, let's talk for free demo. So you can see how many CTAs are integrated here, right? So CTAs has to be visible over here, correct? So you get started here. So imagine how many number of conversions will improve if you have a CTA with different text, but given a different placement here, right? See, download now. There's one more CTA, buy now. So that's how you can improve the conversions, correct? I hope this is clear. Then I'll take to one more example, CRM Wellness LA, right? Okay, so I scroll down here. See, if you fill up a appointment form here, right? So automatically this is like a CTA box. Correct? So scroll down here. Book an appointment online. One more CTA is here. Okay. Second form. Book your appointment today. Okay. Third one. Okay, so this is how these are like sales funnel where you integrate the CTA buttons here, right? Now we have to discuss law of repetition. Repetition means recall, right? So you have to keep repeating the value proposition of your offer and CTA in each section to take action, right? So you have to consistently keep repeating the value proposition of your offer, right? So and CTA as well, right? So in each section to take action, right? So let's understand. Okay, so keep repeating the value proposition. So I'll take it to the example over here. Okay, so each section, 100 plus school transformation providers are transforming the student travel experience with free to connected commute, right? So like we are repeating the value proposition here, right? For example, see here, transport manager app, it tracks route performance, real-time location and status of school bus drivers on an interactive live map and keep complete control over the fleet operation. These are the features, right? These are like value proposition that we have integrated to CTA here in each section here, right? See, one more CTA is get on Google Play, available on App Store, get free demo. So this is value proposition. This is the CTA. Plus we have given the option of Google Play as well as App Store as well. Right. See, one more here. Benefits of free route optimization, live tracking of school bus, time and cost efficient, instant alert notification mechanism, automatic trip and route allocation and optimization driver behavior. So see, we have added the value proposition here, attendance and transportation analytics, two-step authentication and speech alert, right? So this is the value proposition and this is the CTA, get a free demo now, right? See, simple step to start the school bus tracking, right? So we have integrated simple steps to start the school bus tracking. So these are the value proposition here. For example, free to do, simple to set up and easy to use school bus tracking, create a school account or multiple schools, okay, so setting up IoT devices on mobile phones, route planning and trip creation and optimization, providing printed students RFID or NFC card, creating past students, parents, drivers, nanny information, right? Value proposition. We have a CTA right in front of it over here, correct? So this is something you need to understand, right? Law of proof. Social proofs are a strong element to improve conversions and ensure trustworthiness among your audience. Also, credibility is what moves your prospects to take action, right? You have to show off your credentials, experience, awards, and recognition transformation as well. So you have to include social proof here. So I'll show you some live examples of social proof. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's see social proof here. See, trusted by 10,000 plus chartered accountant and tax consultant here, right? See, here it is. So these are social proof. These many companies here. ESDY and Associate, chartered accountant, Mahindra Rice, then Hemant Shah and Associate LLP, Radionet, okay, GBS. These are kind of social proofs, right? So I'll take you to one more. See, these are social proofs. Bright School, okay, so Bright Rider School here. So they have given some testimonials over here. Earlier it was difficult for us to manage the details of all the bus drivers and their route with Fleetwood. Okay, we were actually able to improve the process. The app has helped us to track every school bus and student movement in real time, right? Okay, 30 plus school trust Fleetwood for their transport automation, right? So Bright Rider School, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Middle East, right? So these are kind of social proofs here, which you need to integrate, correct? So this is law of proof. Now we'll discuss about law of resistance. When writing the sales page copy, be sure to anticipate and resolve any objection your prospect may have that are causing the resistance to buy. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to make sure to anticipate and resolve any objections. You know that there could be objections, right? Your prospect might be having that could be causing the buyer to resist, right? So what could be the objections, right? So you need to make sure, you need to anticipate, right? So for example, I'll show you over here. Okay, so basically I am on the chiropractor landing page, right? So ideally, okay, so what could be the problems, right? Patient could be facing, you know, when they are actually going for chiropractic treatment, right? So ideally they would like to know what are the problems here. So we have integrated some information here. For example, are you someone suffering from chronic pain or injury, right? So we have anticipated a list of problems the patient could actually have, right, when they are going for chiropractic treatment, correct? So this is something you need to integrate on your funnel, right? Here are few objection categories. Okay, so for example, you do not understand my problem. Will it actually work for me? Why should I believe you? I've never heard about you. It's not worth the money. So these are the common objections, right? So when user comes on your funnel, they might have, right? So you have to keep this objection in mind while you're creating content for your sales funnel. Okay, so this is something you need to always be aware of it. Now we'll discuss about law of action. Scarcity and urgency are proven psychological triggers that motivate users to take action and boost your sales and conversion. Okay, so that's called scarcity and urgency. Plenty of stuff, no one wants it. Not much stuff, everyone wants it, right? So we understand some examples here. Ideally, what happens is scarcity or urgency. For example, you can create an urgency. You can tell them that the offer is for a specific period, so you have to take a decision to buy the product, because you can say, offer is for 1 week. If you for 1 week it's say $100, after 1 week it could be $200. So if you buy now, you get a discount of $100 for any particular SaaS product, or any high ticket or low ticket product. Okay, so ideally you can give discount offers to create urgencies, right? Scarcity is like, for example, you can say we have limited stock available, okay, till the state we may just have 10 units left, but after that the stock will be over. So that's how you can create scarcity and urgency for your product, so that you can improve your sales and conversions, right? This is something very important. So let's see some examples here. So what I'll do is I'll open Tentacle outbound call center software. So let's try to understand. Okay, so I believe this page is not available as of now, so what you can do is you can say Amazon India, right? Okay, let's try to understand an example of Amazon here. Okay, see what you can understand here. See, a lot of e-commerce websites create scarcity and urgency, right? Okay, they create urgency. They say, for example, if you want to buy slimmest and lightest 5G smartphone, okay, so current price is 31. Now if you buy now, it would be 21,000 rupees, right? So that's how they give you discounts. Okay, so I'll go to home products. Okay, so I click on Amazon brand here. See what you can see here, scarcity and urgency. Okay, see, current price is 1072. Okay, MRP price is 2000, so you save 928 rupees, that's 46%. So you're creating urgency by giving discount offers. Okay, right, save extra with free offers. Okay, so this is scarcity and urgency. In urgency you can say limited stock available. Okay, so here you can say limited stock available over here. I hope this makes sense. Yeah, guys, you can apply these laws to your sales funnel and skyrocket your conversions. Okay, so if ever you need any help, you can get in touch with me, and if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Okay, thank you, have a good day, bye bye.